3 power x plus 3 power x is equal to 45. Find the value of x. So at first we take common 3 power x. So 3 power x is out of the bracket. This divided by this, that means 1, plus this divided by this, that means 1, bracket close, is equal to 45. In the next step, we have 3 power x times 1 plus 1, that means 2, is equal to 45. Now we divided by 2 in both sides. So divided by 2 divided by 2. This 2 will be cancelled. Now we apply log in both sides. So log of 3 power x is equal to log of 45 over 2. Now here we apply rule that log m power r is equal to r log m. This power move to the base. So this power x will move to the base. So it can be written as x log 3, x log 3 is equal to, here log of 45 by 2, log of 45 by 2. So here we apply this rule, log of a by b is equal to log a minus log b. So this formula apply here. So it will be log 45 minus log 2. Now we divided by log 3 in both sides. So divided by log 3 divided by log 3. So this log 3 will be cancelled. So we have x is equal to this part over log 3 minus this part over log 3. Log 45 over log 3, then minus log 2 over log 3. Now here x is equal to log 45 can be written as log of 3 times 15 over log 3 minus log 2 divided by log 3. So I apply this rule, log a divided by log a divided by log b is equal to log a base b. Log a divided by log b is equal to log a base b. So according to this formula, log 2 divided by log 3, so it will be log 2 base 3. In the next step, x is equal to log of 3 times 15 is same as log 3 plus log 15. Log 3 plus log 15 over log 3, then minus log 2 base 3, log 2 base 3. In the next step, x is equal to log 3 over log 3 plus log 15 of log 3, then minus log 2 base 3. In the next step, x is equal to log 3 divided by log 3, that means 1, plus this log 3 will be cancelled, so here 1, so plus 1, then plus log 15 can be written as log of 3 times 5 of log 3 minus log 2 base 3. In the next step, x is equal to 1 plus log of 3 times 5 is same as log 3 plus log 5 of log 3, then here minus log 2 base 3. In the next step, x is equal to 1 plus log 3 of log 3 plus log 5 of log 3, then here minus log 2 base 3. Here x is equal to this log 3 will be cancelled, so here 1, so 1 plus 1, that means it will be 2, then plus log 5 over log 3 is same as log 5 base 3, then minus log 2 base 3. So this is the value of x. This is our final answer.